I'm Sarah Bell, and you are watching a Co-op Minute. Mother's Day will be here before you know it. Don't forget to celebrate those special ladies in your life. No gift is perfect for every mom, so it's important to have options to pick from. Your local co-op has gifts for all the moms in your life. Most co-ops carry a wide selection of bird feeders, including hummingbird feeders that make a perfect new addition in their outdoor living space this time of year. Consider a gift that will bloom all spring long, like something from our garden section. Most co-ops keep stock of beautiful flowers, decor, or other garden essentials. In addition, co-op carries apparel of all kinds, including graphic tees and a selection of accessories like wallets, belts, shoes, and purses. Your co-op has something for all of the special moms and mommies to be. Let us help you honor the special women in your life. Thanks for watching this week's Co-op Minute. Check back next week for more tips.